Hi everyone, today I'm going to tell you a very easy Oreo biscuit cake. You can only make it in 5 minutes and it's very easy. So let's start. So first I'll tell you the ingredients, how to make the cake. 1 microwave bowl, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 packets of gems, 2 big Oreo biscuits, baking powder, half cup of milk and a grinder. So let's start. First we are going to break the Oreo biscuits and put it in the grinder. So here I am almost done with the Oreo biscuit. As we don't have powdered sugar at home, we can use this sugar which we have at home. So I'll just grind it along the Oreo biscuits in the grinder. Here we are going to grind the biscuit. So here I have grinded the sugar. So now I grinded the Oreo, and now the milk which we had, we are going to add it slowly and we are going to mix it. Add it slowly and we are going to mix it. And slowly. Now we are going to add the baking powder. So now I added the baking powder and now I am going to mix it properly here. And make sure you have to take it from the side. Then mix. Take it from the side. Now we are done with our batter. Now let's take some butter over here. And now I'm going to slowly put it all over. Now we are done with our batter and we also greased it in the mold. Now we are going to slowly put it inside. Now that we have put this batter in the bowl, now we are going to keep it in the microwave. Now that we have put the cake in the microwave, we are going to bake it for 5 minutes. See, now 5 minutes are over and I took the cake out slowly. Now I use a toothpick or a knife to check the cake like this. And if the cake comes out and if the toothpick comes out clean, means your cake is ready properly. And if it comes out sticky, then you need to bake it for 2 more minutes in the microwave. As I told you that we have to put a toothpick or a knife. So I put a toothpick and wow, my toothpick is clean, means my cake is done properly. Now we'll just let it cool for 30 minutes. The 30 minutes are over and my cake is cool. So I remove the cake very nicely and very softly. So first to remove the cake, we have to keep a plate on top and slowly just take it and do it upside down. And then you take the bowl aside and then slowly have to remove the butter paper very slowly. Because if you do it harshly, then it will break. Our last part is to this much. Just need to finish. Now my cake is ready. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Ring the bell also.